I'm saying? About the game, but they don't give you both sides, man.
Feddi, I hear you, baby.
This shit, we gon' give you how it is, man.
Yeah, what you know about when work up on the dresser? When it's funk, you don't fold under pressure.
You don't fold under pressure.
Stressing, nigga living in depression. Every day a nigga moving with progression. Nigga talking about it make your heart hurt. Your nigga name just showed up on some paperwork. Yeah, either these niggas been misled or the drugs got them living on the edge.
You can't talk about the sun without the rain. I'm the product of the game. If it brings you joy, you know it brings you pain. That's just a part of the game. I was standing on business off in that prison. Check my commissary and my phone privilege. Did my bit a little different. Youngster making noise in that gym. Niggas popping like it's soda, getting canned. Heard that nigga took the stand. Mama told me watch your best friends and your ops be your #1 fans. Never fold under pressure. Nigga, it was me versus the feds. I stood tall and took my time on the chin. I can't vouch for none. I done seen the toughest check in. I had to adapt to the environment I was in, sharpening iron off in my cell. I done suffered a couple losses, playing for keeps. The only advice I got to offer, something like a mobster. Had to make my movements with precaution. Made man, I stand next to the boss.
Yeah, what you know about when work up on the dresser? When it's funk, you don't fold under pressure. Stressing, nigga living in depression. Every day a nigga moving with progression. Nigga talking about it make your heart hurt. Your nigga name just showed up on some paperwork. Yeah, either these niggas been misled or the drugs got them living on the edge.
Lately I've been in my feelings. Fuck around, turn melly on you niggas. Keep y'all distance, nigga. I am not friendly. All my day one's dead. Shit, I be talking to the ghost. If this a demon party, nigga, I'm the host. Evil knocking out your door. Gotta move righteous with the rifle. Ask the Lord to let me duck this indictment. I've been suffering in silence. Feel like I ain't even with myself. I'm trying to change and put my gangster on the shelf. I can't call for help. To lend a help, a hand that wasn't offered. Check his paperwork, I heard that nigga profit. I know these niggas janky. For that mighty dollar, they might spank me. Heard these niggas going broke around here, baby. Ain't no motion around here lately. Brody got the ball and then fumble. Type of loss to take the whole team under. I've been trying to duck the fire. Had to make a promise to the lifers, making Shalot while he clutching on the Bible. Mafioso.
What you know about when work up on the dresser? When it's funk, you don't fold under pressure.
Just a part of the game.
Stressing, nigga living in depression. Every day a nigga moving with progression.
Just a part of the game.
Nigga talking about it make your heart hurt. Your nigga name just showed up on some paperwork.
Just a part of the game.
Either these niggas been misled or the drugs got them living on the